Find a U.S. Hospital Healthcare Facility Guide 1. Chapter 1. ahd.com/search.php to find hospitals by state. The AHD search. AHD means American Hospital Directory. Click a state in the state box, then click Submit and you get a list of hospitals for that state. American Hospital Association. Websites: aha.org, hospitalconnect.com, facebook.com/aha-hospitals, twitter.com/aha-hospitals, youtube.com/user/aha-hospitals, ahacommunityconnections.org, caringforcommunities.org, hospitals caring for communities, hpo.org, hospitals in pursuit of excellence, hpo.org/resources, resource library, hret.org, health research and educational trust, healthforum.com/healthforum/html/pub/publications.html, AHA Publications, ahaonlinestore.com, ahadataviewer.com, AHA Data, healthforum.com, healthforum.com/healthforum/html/pub/publications.html, Health Forum Publications, aha-solutions.org, aha.org/certifcenter/index.shtml, AHA Certification Center, aha-centraloffice.org, AHA Central Office Coding Resources, aha-careercenter.org, greatboards.org, AHA Great Boards, healthforum-edu.com/summit/index.dhtml, Annual Leadership Summit, hpo.org/small-rural-partnerships, the role of small and rural hospitals and care systems in effective population health partnership, ahanews.com, healthforum.com/healthforum/html/books/books.html, AHA Press, hfmmagazine.com, Health Facilities Management, hhnmag.com, Hospitals and Health Networks, hhnmag.com/hhndaily, HHN Daily, trusteemag.com, hret.org, Health Research and Educational Trust, American Hospital Association, 155 North Wacker Drive, Chicago, Illinois 60606, 312-422-3000, 325 7th Street Northwest, Washington, D.C. 20004-2802, 202-638-1100, 1-800-424-4301. Chapter 2. ushospitalfinder.com has lists of hospitals by state on the homepage. They have a list of the states on the front page. Click on a state to get a list of hospitals. Click a hospital to get the address, phone number, and other info. Chapter 3. Find a hospital 1. health.usnews.com/best-hospitals has a search locator and lists specialty hospitals. Every year they create new lists. You can search by miles from your zip code. Find hospitals at medicare.gov and hfap.org/search-facilities. fsmb.org/contact-a-state-medical-board, check with your state medical board for any complaints or disciplinary actions taken against your healthcare provider. Check hospitals and other healthcare facilities. Compare the quality of care at over 4,000 Medicare-certified hospitals and Veterans Administration hospitals across the country. Medicare.gov/care-compare/provider type =hospital &amp redirect =true. hfap.org/search-facilities. Healthcare Facilities Accreditation Programs list of accredited hospitals, surgical centers, mental health centers, and physical rehabilitation facilities. A list of hospitals by state at healthcarehiring.com/general-hospitals, very few websites. They provide mostly addresses and phone numbers. The list looks amateurish and abandoned. They only put a few hospitals per page, so you have to keep clicking pages. Use healthcarehiring.com to find medical and mental health services, hospitals, and treatment centers. Healthcarehiring.com has several good sections, but the rest of the website is bad and outdated. Chapter 4. Find a hospital too. Health.gov/myhealthfinder is the U.S. federal government health finder. Several categories. USA.gov has some health facility locator info. USA.gov covers a lot of things. Find medical facilities info. Find a health center.hrsa.gov. bphe.hrsa.gov, Health Resources and Services Administration, Bureau of Primary Health Care, helps you find a clinic for medical care, even if you have no medical insurance. nlm.nih.gov/medlineplus/directories.html, find health professionals and facilities. leapfroggroup.org/cp, compare hospitals. Find a health center.hrsa.gov, find a health center. Health Resources and Services Administration. National Health Information Center. Disease Prevention and Health Promotion. Number 2132. 330 C. St. S.W. Washington, D.C. 20201. 800-336-4797. 301-565-4167. Fax, 301-984-4256. nhic-nt.health.org. Contains listing of all healthcare centers nationwide. Revolution Health. 1250 Connecticut Avenue Northwest. Number 600. Washington, D.C. 20036-2651. Customer care at revolutionhealth.com. revolutionhealth.com/care-providers. Find health professionals and facilities. Chapter 5. Find a medical facility guide. Find hospice care at wayback.archive-it.org/all/20190703122458/healthfinder.gov/find services/search context.aspx topic =422. hhs.gov, U.S. Department of Health and Human Services. Caregiver.org/family-care-navigator, Family Care Navigator. caringinfo.org/files/public/brochures/conversations_booklet.pdf, Conversations Before the Crisis, PDF. cms.gov, Centers for Medicare and Medicaid Services. hospice-foundation.org/end-of-life-support-with-terminal-illness/hospice-services. What is hospice? hospicefoundation.org/end-of-life-support-and-support-resources, end-of-life information. hospicefoundation.org, Hospice Foundation of America. Medicare.gov/pub/02154-Medicare-hospice-benefits.pdf, Medicare Hospice Benefits. netforum.nhpco.org/ub/dynamicpage.aspx $NHPCO &webkey $a9338CDD-546-42F5-9061-6B91DBDB31DA, ENCO, find a provider. nhpco.org, National Hospice and Palliative Care Organization. seniorhomes.com, seniorhomes.com. vnaa.org, Visiting Nurse Associations of America. vnaa.org/content.asp?content ID =188, VNAA, find a provider. vnaa.org/content.asp?content ID =48, FAQs, Home Health Care. Find long-term care at wayback.archive-it.org/all/20190703122502/healthfinder.gov/find services/search context.aspx topic =501 &service =147. Medicare.gov/nursinghomecompare/search.html. CMS.gov. Find low-cost drugs, healthcare, and hospital care at wayback.archive-it.org/all/20190703211853/healthfinder.gov/find services/search context.aspx topic =14430 service =147. Find a health center.hrsa.gov. Find a health center. Find a federally funded health center near you for low-cost care based on your income. bphc.hrsa.gov, Bureau of Primary Healthcare, Health Resources and Services Administration. usa.gov/mobile-apps #H, find a health center iPhone application. Download this iPhone app to find a federally funded health center near you for low-cost care based on your income. pparx.org/prescription-assistance-program/free-clinic-finder, free/low-cost health clinic finder. Enter your zip code to find free or low-cost health clinics near your home. phrma.org, Pharmaceutical Research and Manufacturers of America. Chapter 6. Lists of U.S. hospitals and healthcare facilities. List of U.S. hospitals and healthcare facilities. 1. nlm.nih.gov/medlineplus/directories.html. healthlinks.com, healthlinks.net, a worldwide resource for healthcare consumers and professionals. hccainfo.org, Healthcare Compliance Association. healthclinicsdirectory.info. covenanthealthcare.com. altera.com. sfhp.org, San Francisco Health Plan. kaisernetwork.org, aetna.com/docfind/disclaimer.jsp. columbiahealthnet.org, Directory of Healthcare Agencies, Assistance in Accessing Public Services. comed.com/amcp, Managed Care Providers. cshp.net, Colorado Springs Health Partners, healthcare provider with 11 locations and over 70 physicians in the Colorado Springs area. extendedcare.com/asp/pub provider search form.asp, extended care provider search. gundlutheran.org/providers, Gunderson Lutheran Physician and Healthcare Provider Directory. healthcare-advocate.net, healthcare providers. icerocket.com. lifeoptions.com, specialty healthcare provider networks. netwellness.org, nonprofit healthcare providers Ohio. northidahohealth.com, list of healthcare providers and services for the North Idaho area. nursestoday.com, 800-830-7616, nursing care provider. phcs.com, private healthcare systems. PugetSoundHealthAlliance.org, KaiserPermanente.org. SpecialOlympics.org/Special Olympics public website /English/initiative/healthy athletes/provider directory/default.htm. Topics.net, free directory of LGBT compassionate healthcare providers. UHC.com, UnitedHealthcare.com, physician, hospital, and facilities directory. URC.org, accreditation directory of healthcare providers. List of U.S. hospitals and healthcare facilities too. With these websites, you should be able to find the addresses of most hospitals, healthcare facilities, nursing homes, etc. HQAA.org, Healthcare Quality Association. ypng.info/mye.main/readyrsol.htm, medical yellow pages. medical.real-yellowpage.com/n. healthcaremarkets.com, info regarding mergers and acquisitions. nlm.nih.gov/tsd/acquisition/cdm/subjects43.html, health facilities. health20.org/wiki/health2.0 companies, health tech companies. healthsouth.com, comprised of over 1,800 facilities in all 50 USA states, the United Kingdom, Australia, Saudi Arabia, and Puerto Rico. open-health.net/health-care-medical-services.htm fasthealth.com/ci typages, health information, and searchable database of facilities. zapconnect.com/nursing-home/list/index.cfm, find all types of facilities. bannerhealth.com/location/facilities-earch/facilities-earch.htm. usamanufacturingguide.com/usahealthca resupplier center clinic vendor seng.htm. alzheimershandbook.com, lists lots of facilities. acog.org/acm/program/exhibitors.cfm. aha.org, hospitalconnect.com, American Hospital Association. nutritiondomain.com/healthcare. ahd.com, American Hospital Directory. alessandra.com/clients/clnext.asp. astromedical.com/facilitieslist.asp. bioportfolio.com. bitpipe.com/holisty/health-care-industry.html. biz.yahoo.com/p/health-biotrx.html. bullsector.com/healthcarefacilities.html. careerpad.net, lists medical companies. communityhealth.hrsa.gov/searchcounty.asp, community health facilities by county. companies-list-healthcare-prescription-usa.wilma.turek.pl. domain-b.com/companies. en.wikipedia.org/wiki/list of pharmaceutical companies. en.wikipedia.org/wiki/list of Veterans Affairs medical facilities. easyilon.com/business/healthcare/index.shtml, European healthcare services and Europe healthcare companies. fiercehealthcare.com, healthcare industry daily monitor. forbes.com/lists, find list of healthcare companies. forsythmedicalcenter.org/about-us/patient care facilities. hcrt.us, healthcare resources and technologies. healthcare-companies.sequel.com. healthcaretransactions.com/mailinglist.htm, a healthcare mergers and acquisitions intermediary/advisor. healthcentersonline.com. hexafind.com/encyclopedia/medicine. loblinks.com. hoovers.com, list of healthcare companies. hrusa.com. jcaho.org. lovinassociates.com, healthcare company news. magicello.com/categories.html. medcenterdirect.com. medex.com, access to most medical facilities. minoritynurse.com/about/hospitals.html. my.webmd.com/medical information/condition centers, health centers that specialize in specific diseases. nlm.nih.gov/medline+/directories.html. nrcsa.com/feedback/medical facilities.html, National Registration Center for Study Abroad. openhealth.com/n/healthlinks.html. pdimedgroupllc.com/facilities.html, partial list of managed medical facilities. plunketresearch.com/industries/healthcare. plunketresearch.com/industries/healthcare/healthcare industry index. poly.com/companies.html. renolan.com/healthcare/client list-health.htm. scanefo.com/scanefo-direct/health.php. staffinglinks.com/jsemployers/healthcareemployers.htm, list of healthcare employers. symphonytg.com/groupcompanies.asp. va.gov/directory, facilities locator and directory. vault.com. vault.com/health. views.vcu.edu/views/fap/volcr.html. web.mit.edu/chemistry/www/industrialrecruiting/list.html. workingmother.com/100 full-list.html, list of healthcare companies. zoom.com/finance/company-list/heathfac/healthcare facilities.